So, hi mga ka-chefy! Ngayon po gagawa tayo ng pudding kasi marami kami tirang tinapay. So, madali lang to. Ito lang yung ingredients ko. 4 na itlog, and then yung luma yung tinapay, and then condensed milk, evap, and then, ayan lang, halu-haluin nyo lang. And then po yung condensed milk, nasa sa inyo na po yung kung gusto nyo ubusin yun, yung kung gusto nyo matamis. And then, nilagyan ko lang siya ng cinnamon powder. And then, lalagyan ko lang din siya ng butter. Tutunawin ko muna siya bago ko siya ihalo. So, ayun po. And then, lalagyan ko lang po siya ng konting asin na pangbalanse natin. O, diba? Para hindi siya masyadong nakakasawa. So, yun lang po. And then, meron po ako ditong kasoy. So, nilagyan ko siya. And then, bahala kayo kung gusto nyo pong ilagyan ng ibang nuts or raisin. Pwede nyo pong ilagyan yan. So, ito lang po yung available ko. So, ito lang po ilalagay ko. So, ito po, ilalagay ko lang siya sa air fryer. So, lalagyan ko muna ito mantika para po hindi siya dumikit. And then, yung iba naman po, pwede nyo naman po siya ilagay sa oven. So, air fryer lang po yung madali kong gamitin ngayon. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ulit ng toppings na nuts. And then po, lalagay ko siya sa air fryer ng, let's say, 20 minutes muna for 160 degrees. And then chinek ko siya ulit. And then, dinagdagan ko ulit siya na another 15 minutes for 160 degrees. And then, yun, tamang-tama na siya. Then, pinalamig ko lang siya ng konti. And then, serve na natin. Something for you.
Again?
Yummy.
It looks good. Wait, there's metal. Smells good. Is it a cake? Or is it banana?
It's the pudding. Oo.
It's cold, but it's okay. I think, is this supposed to be cold? Mom, why are you cutting it like that?
Why? It shouldn't be big. You can eat it like that. See?
Wrong way of cutting it.
No. It's good cutting.
It's bad cutting, Mom. Why? Mom, why did you
Oh,
cut
look.
it like that?
So it will not be big portions. Look. Ta-da! Yeah! It's good pudding!
Give me. Did you put apple here?
Nope.
Aw. Give me that fork.
Ta-da! It's good!
What did you put there?
Just egg, milk. Daddy.
Did you
Oh,
bake
it's
it?
good, oh.
Ew.
O, diba, panalo.
Next time, no nuts.
It's good, cashew. It's the cashew. Okay, Daddy, oh. How is it,
It's okay.
Andre? How is it? It's good, right? Success! Look at this, our pudding. Our pudding! We made it! Oh, di ba? Ang sarap nito. Para itong nabibili namin dati sa grocery, sa bakery namin. Yeah.